Now for this one, it says we have the apparent tangent function is horizontally compressed by 1/2 and reflected over the y-axis, or I'm sorry, the x-axis. Which equation could represent G, which is the result of this transformation? So when this same rule applies for tangent, okay? So I want to point out a couple of things. When we compress that, that's B, because the period for tangent is pi over B. But it says it's compressed to 1/2 of that. So by default, B equals 1. So the period of tangent is pi, right? But when we have a factor of 1/2, that means that it would be 1/2 of pi. Okay? So that means that B is equal to 2. Now, for this reflected over the x-axis, that has to do with A. To reflect something over the x-axis, you just need to have a negative. Now, A is normally set equal to 1. In other words, if I think of like tangent, right? If I say y equals tangent, this is the parent function, tangent of x. For the parent function, A equals 1, B equals 1, C equals 0, and D equals 0. But for my transform function, A would have to equal -1 because that's how I get the reflection, and B would have to equal 2 because that's how I compress the 1/2. So then my parent function would simply be, and we want it in function notation because this is the function G. So it would be G of x is equal to -1, but we'll just put the negative sign, tangent of B, which is 2, times x, and C and D still remain 0, because it didn't say, remember, C shifts it horizontally, and D shifts it vertically, and it didn't say anything about shifting horizontally or vertically. So this is our answer right here. And that's it.